Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Handheld vacuum sealer from Silvercrest for airtight and watertight food storage which preserves flavor. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the manual, 3 2A batteries, and the sealer. Small and portable, it can fit anywhere. It works with batteries. On-off button. The air inlet is removing all the air from the container or the bag. Silicone rubber, sealing very well between the vacuum sealer and the bag or container. Press these two plastics and remove the cover. And now you can install the batteries. We have a diagram here for the batteries. Nice. On, off. Oh yeah! It is powerful. And I think it stops automatically. Yes. And of course, to use this vacuum sealer, you need vacuum bag set. For airtight and watertight food. Wow, we have so many bags. 5 small. Another 5 medium. And another 5 large. So many. And we have in these 2 clips. The manual. Or if you want, you can use this vacuum food storage container. Silicone rubber around, sealing very well the container. The manual, it is plastic, good quality, it is thick. The valve, so how it works, put that here, press, it's pumping all the air, I can feel it. You can stop or it will stop automatically. Wow, yep, it's doing an amazing job. Press this button. It's releasing the air. Nice. Let's try it. Now I have water in the container. Let's see if it is watertight. It is. And start pumping. I think it's okay. Wow. Definitely it is watertight. And to remove the air, so easy. And of course you can use so many foods. Any food you have at your refrigerator, dry or wet, definitely you can use it. No worries. Rice. You need to apply pressure to have better contact. Wow, amazing. Steaks. You can storage your coffee to preserve the flavor. Whatever ingredients you have at your kitchen or at your refrigerator. So nice. And of course the same thing you can do and with the bags. Now let's choose the large bag. Let's put this steak inside. Seal it very well. You can use these clips for sealing. That was all. Wow. Preserve the meat for a longer time. I just love it. Let's use the small bag. And I will use it with the sugar. Using again these clips. Perfect. Wow. Hard like a stone. I just love it. This little device makes preserving food incredibly simple. Whether it's leftovers, fresh produce, deli meats, or even marinating food for more efficiently, the vacuum sealer quickly removes air, keeping your food fresher for longer. No more freezer burn or stale snacks. Its portable and cordless design means you can use it anywhere in your kitchen. and it's super easy to store away. Plus, with simple one-button operation, vacuum sealing has never been more straightforward. It's a small investment that pays off big in food savings and convenience. It only costs €5. €5 the bags and another €5 the container. So if you're ready to take control of your food storage and keep your ingredients at their peak freshness, this vacuum sealer is definitely a smart addition to any kitchen. If this video helped you understand the Silvercrest Handheld vacuum sealer better, please give us a big thumbs up, it really supports our channel. And for more honest reviews of kitchen gadgets, home appliances and clever solutions for everyday living, make sure you are subscribed and have hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We are always here to help you make your home life a little bit easier and more efficient. Until next time, keep your food fresh and we'll see you in the next video.